This procedure is for the power stance tongue jack's footpad replacement. Before you begin, make sure the unit's tires are chalked and that the weight of the RV is supported while the tongue jack's footpad is off of the ground. Begin by retracting the tongue jack high enough so that the footpad can be decoupled from the jack leg. Remove the cotter pin from the clevis pin and the clevis pin from the footpad. The footpad can now be removed. To install your replacement footpad, slide the footpad over the jack leg and then align their mounting points so that the clevis pin can be installed. Secure the clevis pin with a cotter pin. Then re-extend the jack to raise the unit so that its weight is no longer sitting on the jack stands. Remove the jack stands in order to complete the footpad replacement procedure.